Alright, here they come.
1, 2, yes, sir!
Alright, what's up you guys? So, made it to Long Beach. Here for the first round of Formula Drift. Now, the event is right there and my hotel is a block away. So, that worked out perfect. Now, they are going to start practice right now, like in about 20 minutes or so. And I'm going to get a few clips of that. And then I'm going to go get in line so I can go inside the event. I didn't show you guys which way I came, but when I leave, I'll show you guys the way I did come. But for now, I'm just waiting for them to come out. Usually, they come out at 8. But it's past 8, so they should be coming out any moment. I can hear them that they're all lined up already. But I like this little spot because you can see when they're warming up the tires and stuff. So again, I'll show you guys this little spot in case you guys come to Long Beach. You guys know about it, and now you guys could check this little spot out and get some good clips. But this should be coming out any moment now. While I'm still waiting, I'll just show you guys the way. Alright, now this fence is always right here, but there's a little gate and it's always open. It's in front of the Chase. I don't know if you guys can see the address, or not the address, but what road this is. Well, yeah, I'm pretty bad at explaining, you guys. If you guys don't know, I suck at explaining, but it's in front of the Chase. Just walk straight down. Gonna make a right turn right over there. Go through here, and there you go. Now you got a good view of when they're warming up. Alright, here they come. Hope you guys just enjoy and go subscribe. This guy's working. He was like, what the fuck's going on? Alright, there we go. So we're currently making line right now. Got all the drivers lined up, still practicing. So we made it through. Alright, just like that, we're in.
Thank guys for free. Check it out. We got hot pit out fest.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but is this an F1 car?
here with that big And you know what? I totally expected that. Yes, sir! So here we go. On to the The judges say it was unanimous that your winner here in Steve's bracket is Daniel. Scooby gets the win. Scooby gets the win.